My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware that is called EDW. EDW is a ransomware that encrypts files and then appends the victim's ID, email address, and finally the EDW extension to the file names. Then it generates two ransom notes. It displays a pop-up window and creates a text file named files.encrypted.txt. You can clearly see that before the ransomware attack you're able to open any files. However, because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the system, this EDW ransomware may be injected into the computer. So then pretty soon people realize that something bad has happened with their files. And when they try to open the specific file, this is the message that they get. The message comes up saying that it's impossible to use this file because Windows cannot open this type of file with the EDW extension. So as I said, the ransomware generates two ransom notes. One of them is this pop-up window. It says that your files are encrypted, and the other note is in the form of txt file. It also indicates that your data has been locked. It indicates some email addresses for contacting the developers of the ransomware. Of course, the ransomware tells that the victims need to pay the ransom for file recovery. However, paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration. And if you pay the ransom, you may lose your money for nothing. Now, we recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the official website combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program. After it gets successfully installed, click on Start Scan button. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is definitely crucial for proper detection of any malware. So then the scanning will begin. The program should reveal certain threats that can be related to this particular ransomware. And then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. While the scanning is taking place, I want to emphasize your attention on the feature called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So as I said before, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you upgrade to Premium. This is the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.